Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to show how to test your internet speed in the terminal console. Actually, this is the GUI web browser. I can test and check the how much speed I have. This is simple, pretty straight, right? What about the console users? Don't have a GUI desktop to test their internet speed. So I have one simple solution. Go with your terminal and here just type this sudo apt install speed test CLI. This is the command. Just hit enter. Once the installation was finished, clear the screen and apt update, sudo apt update. Once it's done, just type speed test, hit enter. This is from testing from my Jio SIM. Actually, I connected my Jio SIM through mobile USB tethering. I connected this laptop and you can see the speed 161 Mbps for the download and the upload. They're going to testing. I have download speed 161 megabytes and the upload speed is 12 megabytes. This is a simple video to show the speed test in the console. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.